times square root of x plus x is equal to 2. We have to find the solution for x. Let's try. So 3 times square root of x, if we send x to the right hand side, it will be 2 minus x. Now let's square both the sides. So squaring both the sides, 3 times square root of x whole square is equal to 2 minus x whole square. When a times b is whole raised to the power m, it is equal to a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m. So this will be 3 raised to the power 2 times square root of x raised to the power of 2 is equal to, and this is in the form of a minus b whole square. It is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write it as 2 square plus x square minus 2 times 2 times x. Now 3 square is 9. We can remove the square root with the square. So it is 9x is equal to 4 plus x square minus 4x. Now if we rearrange it, we can write x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 9x. We have not changed the question, just rearrange it. X square minus 4x, if we send 9x to the left hand side, it will be minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0, or it is x square minus 13x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can find the solution for x using the quadratic formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under square root upon 2a, where a is equal to the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b here is coefficient of x, that is minus 13, and c here is 4. So x will be minus b, that is minus 13, plus minus 13 square minus 4 times 1 times 4 upon 2a. So 2 times 1, or x is equal to minus minus plus, so it is 13 plus minus 13 square is 169. Since minus is inside the bracket, so it will be positive, minus 16 upon 2a, or x is equal to 13 plus minus 169 minus 16 is 153 upon 2a is, sorry, 1 here, so it is 2, so upon 2. So two solutions for x are x is equal to when 13 plus square root of 153 upon 2, and second solution for x is 13 minus square root of 153 upon 2. Now square root of 153 is approximately equal to 12 decimal 4. It is 12 decimal 3, 6, 9 and so on. So we are rounding it off and writing it 12 decimal 4. So x1 is equal to 13 plus 12 decimal 4 upon 2, and second root of x is 13 minus 12 decimal 4 upon 2, or x1 is equal to 25 decimal 4 upon 2, and x2 is equal to 1 decimal 4 upon 2, or x1 is equal to 12 decimal 7 and x2 is 0 decimal 7. So these are the two roots for x. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.